Hi, this is Barry here, and you are very, very welcome to 5 days to reignite your belief. Because at the end of the day, a lot of us don't believe in ourselves. You know, when you think back to when we were small, we were these courageous kids who just would try anything, do anything, believed in themselves totally, wouldn't have any problems singing in front of an audience or dancing or whatever. And then over time, we just kind of get whittled away, and the belief in ourselves just kind of gets taken from us. So we're not going to let that stop us anymore. And what we're going to do over the next 5 days is we are going to reignite your belief. So let's get started with day one. Now, today I want to talk about something that probably some of us don't really think about, and that is that it's okay to be lost. You know, you see people on social media that, whatever success they have, it's almost like they had a clear path. They knew exactly what they needed to do each way along the way. And sometimes when we feel that we don't know the path, sometimes it makes us doubt ourselves. Sometimes it makes us feel like, if we don't know what the next step is, well, it means we can't take it. So what I want to maybe just to drum into your head today is that the fog is part of the path. You don't need to know the full staircase. Right now you're probably on step 1, and maybe you can only see maybe a step as far as step 2, maybe step 3. But the rest of it just seems hazy. You don't know what the next steps are. So being in the situation where you're in, where you're lost, maybe confused, that's normal on the path that we're on. Right now, the path that I'm on right now, I can't see off in the future. I've got wonderful things planned in mind and love to go to certain places. But right now, I don't know those steps in the journey yet. I know at some point they will be shown to me, and I know what to take when I reach those points. But right now, I'm like you. I'm in this phase of trying out different things, of taking actions that sometimes mightn't work out, of maybe creating products, creating maybe videos like these that maybe nobody will watch. But what I need to do is I need to kind of start putting something down on the ground, start to see what's working, and then kind of work on that. So it's easy to believe in these, points that we are, if we don't know what we're doing, it means we're lost, it means we're confused, it means we're not going to get there. But what I'd remind you, and also me sometimes when I doubt myself, is that right now we're growing roots. Right now the activities we do mightn't be showing any results. It mightn't show like anyone is reading our posts on Substack or watching our videos on YouTube or listening to our podcast. But there is growth going on. There has to be growth. Because whatever we do, for every cause there is an effect. For every action there's a reaction. And whatever action we have, there has to be a reaction to it. And sometimes we can't see that reaction. Sometimes we can't see the effect of the actions that we take. But you have to believe that there is roots growing. And sometimes, as Myron Golden would say, sometimes it's not that the work is actually working for us. Sometimes the work is actually working on us. That when we actually do the work, even though there is no kind of activity, no sign of success, it just means that it's working on us, that we're kind of growing a thicker skin. We're starting to, build a little bit of resilience in us, make us stronger. Because you can be guaranteed the person that you are right now probably isn't the right person to get you to the end of your journey. And like those kind of movies you see where the hero goes off on a quest, they're never perfect at the very start. They're probably maybe a bumbling idiot who can't hold a sword or can't shoot an arrow straight. But they need to go on a journey to be the hero that's going to fight that dragon, that's going to rescue that princess or whatever it is. So they have to go through a kind of learning curve. And you're going to find that that is what you're on right now. That you are the character on the first page of that book. And then by the end of your story, you're going to find you're going to be a completely different character. You're going to be seasoned. You're going to have resilience. You're going to have strength. And you're going to have belief in yourself. So although this video is a short one, it's an important one in that, if you feel lost right now, if you feel like you're walking in a fog and you just don't know what's ahead of you, that's normal. Not many people like to talk about it. You're not going to hear people bragging on social media saying, well, I haven't got a clue what the hell I'm doing today, but I'm going to show up. No, you always see the people who have the big incomes, the social media following, the success stories, but you never have the confused part in the middle. And you'd be guaranteed whatever journey you're on, you might know the start, you might possibly know the end point, but in the middle is the murky bit. That's the bit where you're kind of walking around in the darkness, trying to find your footing. So, if you are a little bit confused right now, are a little bit lost, it's not just you. It's all of us. The middle part is always murky. And even though you don't feel like maybe you're not ready, or that you feel that whatever you're doing right now is going to fail or it's not going to work out, you do need to take these actions, because these actions are going to work on you so that by the end of your story, you're going to be a completely different character than the one at the start. So just remember that the fog is part of your path, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.